Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes for the 10th period of the 10th class. That in today's class, we are going to study the point related to the remain part, or the part which was remain in the last class related to the terrorism. What? Terrorism. That we are going to discuss in this class related to the point we have continued in the 9th period of our class. So these groups give the problems toward the country and also develop the anti-social activities in the country. There we are finding the fight in between the two religions due to the development of these type of groups. They may be going to make the problem in between the two religions, because according to the situations only they are going to make the problems or they create the problems. So other activities related to the development of these terrorism groups we are going to see is, that at the point of trade or at the point of export and the import, there also we are finding the problem related to the terrorism. They may be going to make attack on these goods, and for getting attack towards these goods, they are going to make the bomb blast, or they may be going to make the fire towards the people belongs to the well organized group by the terrorist group. So bringing down of all World Trade Centers in USA, that the bomb attacks on Bali and Indonesia, bombing various cities by the France, Britain and other countries are the reason for the worries at the international level also. You can take the example of America and the Japan itself. So the 2 points related to the Hiroshima and the Nagasaki. These two places were attacked by the Americans, which belongs to the Japan, and they have bomb blast. And due to this bomb blast, these places become very terrible. They got problems. It was happened in the 1945 in the same month with the 3 days difference. Once they are bomb blasted on the Hiroshima, one they are bomb blasted on the Nagasaki. These are the important places related to the Japan. So these are some examples we can see which were attacked by the group development of terrorism, and some other reasons also we are going to see. And due to the terrorism based on the extreme religious sentiments, separatism, racialism and left-wing ideologies also develop among the common people. You can take the example of South Africa itself. There we are finding the development of terrorism instead of India. How? There were the people we are going to see belongs to the two groups. One is the black group and another one is the white. So the fight in between the black and the white, that is going to called as the on the basis of race or the racism. We are finding the development of terrorism, and it creates problems to the society on the basis of religion. Next, we are going to see these terrorism groups, the main target toward the important activities or the important places of the country. So the target related to the terrorism is toward the civilians or the civilian groups of the country or the military bases of that country, because these are giving the security to the nation. And they also target toward the specific communities with the specific languages. You can take the example of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. These two states having the different languages. So the development of terrorism group in Tamil Nadu may be going to give the problems to the Karnataka government. So these are the examples we are going to find, maybe find in the country, maybe find out of the country. So totally its aim was to give the trouble to the government. Next, the main aim for this group to develop the fear and killing the people of the country. The main aim of, you can take the example of big group we are going to find for the world level, that is called as the ISI group. So what is the aim of these groups? This is the group belongs to the Islam. But what is the main aim? They want to develop the fear among the world people, and they are going to kill these people by developing the fear. They use the explosive, deadly gases. These people going to use the deadly gases to attain their or to achieve their goals, to achieve their aims. They are going to use the different types of gases or the chemicals in these battles. The killing done by these terrorists are pre-planned. It is going to be called as the pre-planned, not without the plan. They will coming toward the country, or they are developing the plan with the attention of the all groups belongs to the terrorism. And they, by making the plan, they work with their own network of own intelligence, not with any people. So it is always in the secret type. They don't know, only the group belongs to the terrorism, and they will have some network related to the different states and the different places, and they employ the new type of the modern day. They are going to employ the people belongs to their group for transportation of this fear towards one place to the another places. Now the main target by these people toward the busy areas, where we are finding a public area. You can take the example of the public areas like airport, railway stations, markets, and some other important areas. We are going to see the attack is going to be made by this terrorism. They seek to spread their goals along with the violence, not with the peace or the non-violence. Always they are going to follow the violence. They also use the tactics like suicide, bombing, kidnapping innocent people to attain their target aims. So even though they are following some other activities also, many times we are going to hear in the news. So somewhere in Tamil Nadu, somewhere in Karnataka, the children were attacked or kidnapped, and they have taken the kidneys related to the parts related to the body of those children. So these all activities are going to be home by the terrorism to make fear towards the government. So these are the different tactics, different plans were followed by the home terrorists in India. Next point, you can take the example related to this terrorism. India is one of the countries. India is going to be called as one of the countries in the world that has been targeted by terrorism for many years. You can take the example of Pakistan and India. So it was targeted not only since from the pre-independent. There was a problem between the two communities related to the Islam and the Hindu religion. So always the Kashmir was the point become for the attack of terrorists. So in the worldwide we are going to see India is getting the first position to get the attacks of terrorism for the long years. And terrorism is, and one of the important, there is no states like Nagaland, Manipur, Kashmir, Punjab and other places were attacked many times by the terrorists, because these are the borders of the our enemies. You can take the example of Bangladesh. Bangladesh also the enemy for India. Pakistan is also enemy for India. And Punjab and the Kashmir were the border for the Pakistan. And this side, Manipur is the border for the which? Bangladesh. So these states continuously attacked by the terrorism. That is the point we are going to see related to the attacks made by the country. So now only I have given the example related to the Taj Hotel. Taj Hotel was attacked and it was belongs to the Mumbai. So that is on 26th November 2007. It was attacked by the terrorists on 26th November 2007 in India. So it is one of the example we are going to see related to this. Similarly, we have seen, I have given the example, the parliament attack made by the terrorism. So similarly, the parliament of India was also been targeted by the terrorists once in India, and terrorists have targeted the places like Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Bodh Gaya, that is in Bihar, and other places like the important places in the country were attacked by these people. Our neighboring countries like Pakistan and China are always supporting to the group of terrorism to make troubles toward the country. Now, India has always criticized the terrorism in other country also. It is not going to give the support to the terrorism. Always India want to curb the terrorism. And it was not going to happen in the other countries also. Our central and the state government belongs to the country. It wants to stop the terrorism and it has followed the many steps in the many types. They have always tried to protect the properly and life of ordinary people by stopping this terrorism, and they have been created the special allied forces to make attack toward the terrorist. Now, India has been loving country and has undertaken many initiatives to stop the terrorism in the country. Now come to the point related to the history of India related to the terrorism. Look toward the history of India related to this point. India has made that it was achieved many types of violence due to the development of terrorism groups from the different enemies countries. At the same time, we are going to see history has been made by employing truth, non-violence and love. But the killing of people like Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi did not erase their efforts to achieve the progress through these policies. Many times we have seen Indira Gandhi was also killed by the terrorism. Rajiv Gandhi was also killed by the terrorism. And the Mahatma Gandhi also killed in the same way. Even they have followed the achievement of non-violence in the country. Whereas the other point, the actions of Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Muhammad Paigambar, Bashveshwara, Gandhi, Nehru, Ambedkar, Martin Luther, Nelson Mandela are some of the examples who have made to develop the peace in the society, but also there was no achievements of the development related to the stop of terrorism in the world. So many countries people are the people who have the good philosophy. They have made lot of strive to get the achievement of controlling the terrorism, but still it was not controlled in India. And due to this, we are finding peace and love for a greater than violence and the hate. So always these people are going to tell us peace and love are greater than the violence and the hate. So always there should be the development of peace and the love in between the two people, not the development of hate and the violence in between the two people, because always the life completes with the good love and the good peaceness in the people. So the next point related to the problems of India was going to be called as the corporate strategies. So many times you have heard the name or the word related to the corporates. So many corporations are there. Till today we are finding the corporations were developed in India. But the problem is the strategy belongs to these corporates are not in the proper level. So that's why the corporate strategies have been the biggest challenge to the in front of the Indian government. So what is this strategy? Strategy means one side you can call as the plan or you can call it as the plans. So the plans made by the corporations or corporation sectors belongs to the India have made a big challenge to the Indian government in the 21st century. It was made the biggest challenge to the country in the 21st century related to the point of the world. How every strategy was different from the different corporations of India. You can take the businessmen related to the country, entrepreneurs related to the country have different plans. You can compare with the two persons who become the best entrepreneurs for the country. You can take the example of Infosys and you can take the example of Reliance. So the strategy belongs to the Reliance is different from the strategy belongs to the Infosys. But these are the two corporates related to the country itself. So these are the some important points has made a lot of challenges toward the government of India to follow in the systematic way. So a group of administrations measures undertaken by the different companies to achieve their premeditated or targets is called as the corporative strategy. So why the Reliance Group and the Infosys Group have different strategies? Because these corporates, Reliance want to get more achievements in their financial sector, Infosys want to get more achievements, and different groups, companies are going to make the different plans to fight with each other, because market is open for the common people and there was a choice related to any person. It should be marketed in the different plans. So the competition was started and this was making the trouble to the country. You can take the example of present markets. We are finding the different types of advertisements are coming in your television programs, also in the streets. So why these companies are making the advertisement? Because they are making the different plans to success their market or to success to sell the products produced in the manufacturing industries. So these are going to be called as the strategy or the plan made by the different company to sell the product. You can take the example of Britannia itself, the biscuit, have different types of products made by the same company but in the different way. Why it was made in a different way? Because it want to sell its products in the market with making some different plans. So it was totally confused toward the government, and it is making the problems to India. The present day, the corporate strategies are and using the globalized environment and modern technologies. The main aim of the strategies are maximizing the profits of the company. Now only I told why these people are fighting to make the different plans, because they want to get more profit. They want to get more profit by making the different plans. So every company want to achieve their goals by getting more profits. You can take the example of individual business itself. Individuals. So I have started, or you have started one of the business. What is the aim of your making the development of business? To get some profit in my life or in your life. So this was the competition itself is going to call as the strategy for the corporate. So many corporate. Now we are in the globalized world. After 1993, we are finding the globalization was started. What is the meaning of globalization here? Globalization means we are connected to the worldwide countries. Earlier, we are selling only the goods in the country itself. We are not finding the more product. But after 1993, we are connected to the different countries to sell the goods in the different way. It may be USA, it may be England, it may be China, it may be Japan, Germany. Like this way, many world countries are connected with the India after 1993 to sell the goods without the taxes. So after that, we have seen many China products are coming with the cheap rates in India, and due to this, the market was totally confused toward the common people. So the choice of the people is they need less amount for any product. If Indian goods is coming in the 100 rupees, the people China goods they are getting in the 10 rupees. So what is the choice of the Indians present day? The choice of the Indian market is they will give preference to the 10 rupees according to their income source, but they will not see the life of that product. So life of this product is more and the life of product is less, but they want to complete their needs. They want to satisfy their needs. That is the main part we are going to see. The present day, India is connected, or the Indian companies are connected with the world countries, and different products are going to produce in the country for selling to the different countries. So earlier we are finding made in China, made in India. There is no choice. Only the China products we are going to get are made in Japan, but there was no made in India. But later, after 1993, there was a lot of competition in the world also. The products which were produced in India are selling in the other countries. You can take the example of Infosys. So Infosys is going to call as one of the software company belongs to the country, that to the state of Karnataka. And these products present day we are selling in America, we are selling in the Switzerland, we are selling in the Australia. So this type of competition was started, that is called as the corporate strategies have made different plans to sell in the market for their personal gains. Now, so these affects the people, the society and a country negatively. Now, this type of competition have made the effect toward the societies in the negative type. Now, today we are going to tell that we have to follow the Swadeshi goods. Now we are feeling because we are getting the problem from the goods coming from the other countries. Often the corporate strategies influence the decisions of the government also. On the positive side, the same corporate companies can be employed to alleviate social problems like poverty, malnutrition, health, skill training, and many other aspects of society through the corporate responsibilities and the CSR programs. So one side we are finding that these corporate companies are giving trouble to the government, but one side these corporate companies are supporting to the government to make or to produce the unemployment, even the population of India. So Indian government is not unable to give the employment opportunities in the government sector itself. So these corporate companies have given the opportunities for the social development in the different activity by providing the employment. So due to that only we are finding the migration of people from village to the metropolitan city. You can take the example of present day, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai. Our village people are settled there, migrated from village to these cities. Why? Because of corporate strategies, corporate companies, they are providing the employment. One side it is giving effect negatively towards the society, one side it is giving the positive sense toward the societies by developing their position. Now, the corporate societies has taken the good responsibility by making these plans. That time the government needs the mandate such as initiative through the appropriate legal measures. Only with such initiatives the Indian society can challenge or channelize to corporate strategies in favor of the society. So to complete or to fulfill the needs of the society, government has to make some various programs to give support to the corporate strategies and complete the needs of the societies. So this was the important point. We are going to see the problems arises in India and the solutions made by the government of India in the different periods. So this is the last topic related to this lesson. So today we are going to complete this topic with this corporate strategy. I think you may understand well these topics we are learning this chapter. So I'll stop here only and continue the question answers. You write in your fair what was the given in your textbook. Thank you.